Y'all, I haven't trimmed my hair in like 6 months. And do you think that I was gonna go to a salon to let somebody else get scissor happy? I don't think so. What's up, family? It's Ty, and I'm back with another video. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. And if you are into being your own beautician and growing your own hair healthy and long, or someone else's, then hit that subscribe button below. And hit that bell icon so you will not miss any more videos. And we're gonna jump right into all of this hair goodness, y'all. All right, so my hair is still damp from being freshly washed, detangled, and deep conditioned. I know y'all like, what is this on your neck, sis? It's a dress, I'm not gonna lie. This is what I dried my hair off with because my microfiber towel was not clean yet. So it replaced my t-shirt basically. Okay, I am going to blow out my hair because I have to trim my ends. I noticed when I was detangling my hair, it just kept getting like tangled. And it was because my ends are really bad. So we are going to fix that today. So first things first. Now I'm going to speed up the video because I don't want to make the video too long because I'm going to be showing my entire head being trimmed section by section. So I will slide back here in a minute and I'll let you enjoy this clip. So my hair is officially all blew out, and this is what my hair is looking like. Now we're going to get to the trimming. And I'm sorry that I couldn't show you the whole video of me blowing my hair out, but I had to end up leaving to go get some more heat protectant because I just didn't know how I felt about putting almond oil all over my hair and using that as a heat protectant. I was just a little leery, so I didn't do that. So I'm just gonna break my hair up in sections because I'm not a professional. I have trimmed my hair before a couple times. However, I don't wanna cut off too much hair, so I'm just basically brushing the very ends of the hair. And then I'm just gonna come down to the ends. And as you can see, I already have a scraggly that needs to be cut off. So you can tell that my ends need to be cut off. So I'm just gonna take my shears because these are the only scissors that you want to use on your hair. You do not want to use regular scissors because it won't get rid of your split ends. If anything, it'll make them rise up further up your hair shaft. With that being said, you just want to trim off just the very ends of what's bad and keep it moving. So I'm gonna trim off this much, because I want a nice clean end of hair. I don't want anything to be snagging. And now my brush goes through super easy since I cut that off. After I get done trimming, I'm just going to put my hair in a clip just so I know what I've already cut. And then I'm just gonna take another piece, not too big, just a small section. And then I'm gonna start at the bottom and, you know, brush it out. And then move all the way up to the top. Make sure I'm getting everything. Now we're going to pull our hair down so we can see where our stragglies are. As you can see, there's a straggly, guys. You see that? See this long piece? I'm gonna go cut off right here. There we go. And now we have nice ends again. We'll just add this in with the other section we've already completed. Okay, and I'm just going to continue to do this. Now I'm going to speed up the video because I don't want to make the video too long because I'm going to be showing my entire head being trimmed section by section. So I will slide back here in a minute and I'll let you enjoy this clip. to drive a whole hour and a half away from where I live to let the beautician trim my hair and silk press it, because I refuse to let anyone do it where I lived at. Anyone else like that? Like, feels leery about letting people do their hair where they live at? People trying to act like they misunderstood you. Oh, I thought you meant you wanted a haircut. No, that's not what I said. So I would drive all the way, an hour and a half, to get my hair done. Never had no issues. She didn't cut my hair off. She was perfectly a good, beautician, but those silk press, they just a waste of money for me. They only last like the day of, and then your hair is back poofy. And for $65 and for me to drive up there and it only lasts a day, nah sis, I'm good. I'll continue with my natural hair in its natural state. Quick tip, you don't need to trim your hair every 30 days, every other month. You only need to trim your hair when your ends are raggedy. That's it. Or if you're feeling like you're getting more knots than you should be getting, like maybe when you're just doing a 2-strand twist and you notice that you keep getting knots when you're trying to coil the end, and you keep getting hair on the ends that keeps wrapping around your finger and you can't even really coil your hair. You need to cut them ends, sis. Or bruh, you need to cut them ends. Because if you don't, it's going to hinder your growth. Okay guys, so I have officially trimmed all of my hair, and my hair feels amazing since I trimmed off all those bad ends. And it looks even healthier too. So yeah, this is what my blew out hair is looking like after it's nice and trimmed. So you guys let me know if you're gonna trim your own hair or not, because you should. You shouldn't let no one else in it. But that's all I have for you guys today. That's the end of the video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.